Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. So we're going to make a mask cover for our N-95 mask or other type of mask like that, and this is made out of quilt batting. And the reason to use quilt batting is it has some cling factor, so it will cling to your mask, and then you can just take this off and dispose of it. If you could also wash it. If you feel like it's not going to stay on with that, then you can feed in some elastic. So I've taken my pattern, cut it out, sewed a seam here in the center, and then I also made a casing for my elastic. So that's how simple my cover is. Check out MainelyDIY.com for the pattern. So the casing was made on the side just by sewing the layers together, and yes, I used black thread so you could see what we were doing. Taking a bodkin, running it through my casing. I've got about a 32 inch piece of 1/8 inch Julie elastic. You won't want to go any narrower than that because it won't have the strength, and definitely could be something wider, just wide enough to get through that casing. And then I am going to feed it through the other side. Just going to tie a knot in the ends. Adjust it for fit over your other mask, and then trim off, tie another knot and trim off the excess. So we have cling factor, and if you want a little more security, you can add the elastic into that. This can be disposed of, just throw it in the trash, or you can launder it. Either way you want to do it. Okay, so I can turn my mask upside down, and it does cling. It will fall off with a little bit of agitation, so you may want to use the elastic casings on that. You could use other things for a strap. You could use shoelaces. I just chose elastic because it's easier to deal with than trying to tie.